Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. I know I did. I want to thank everybody that sent me birthday wishes. I did celebrate my birthday this past Friday, so thank you so much. I want to come on and do a quick project share. I was inspired by Sherry, who is Craft, Pray, Repeat here on YouTube. Hi Sherry. She had shared some of these super cute SVG files that she's been playing with, and I was so inspired to try it myself. So I will definitely link her channel in the description box below, and I will link where I purchased this SVG file. I do have a Brother Scan and Cut, and that is how I was able to cut out these little cuties digitally, well, not digitally, but electronically with the Brother Scan and Cut machine. I am getting the hang of the machine, and so I'm really happy about that. But anyway, I downloaded the SVG file and figured out how to cut out all the little pieces, and this is how it came out. Now these are adorable gift card holders, as you can see, and I just think they came out so super cute. Sherry has on her channel how to color the eyes and give all of the dimension to the little gingerbread. I think it's a gingerbread little guy. I'm not even sure. I think it is. It looks like it is. Anyway, absolutely adorable. I did cut out the Sweet Holiday Wishes, which is part of the SVG file, and so are these super cute little peppermint candies. And it comes with the little hearts in the nose and just everything that you see. The bling that I used is from Pink and Maine. That is that really pretty bling that I picked up. I love it. I've been using it quite a bit, and that is it. Super cute bow. I just added the little jelly pin like Sherry did on her example, and again used some more bling on top of the bow. So that's the first one that I made. Now these two are slightly different. As you can see, I have a different sentiment on both of these. This one says Happy Holidays, and it's in glitter cardstock. I cut that out of glitter cardstock, actually using a die from my stash, and this one is in white. And I placed the peppermints kind of in different places, but super, super cute. And I did a light one and a dark one, and I think I'm going to put these in my craft fair, this will be a part of my craft fair, so I'm going to wrap them up cute and sell them at my craft fair. But absolutely adorable. I do have to say, when I was printing out this Sweet Holiday Wishes, or actually when I was using the Brother Scan and Cut to cut out the words, for whatever reason I was having a hard time. It was kind of, some of the words were kind of tearing or didn't cut all the way, and I may just need to adjust my blade. I'm not really sure, but I wasn't able to use the other cutouts that I had cut when I had cut it out multiple times, and that is why I went to, that's why I had decided to use a die, which was easy, and I knew I could get a nice clean cut with this die right here. And I really love the way it came out. Anyway, thank you Sherry for the inspiration. Show her some love, check out her channel. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Please check the description box below for more information, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.